Hello. Hi, good morning, students. Yes, good morning. You have a Transcend with you? This one? Transcend book with you? Yeah. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm good here. So I have the Transcend book with you. Let's solve some of the questions. Not full. All of them are not solved. I'm fine here. You should have. No, ma'am, is not the answer. You should have it. Yesterday I told you that I'm going to solve Transcend zoology. This is Transcend. Can you see this? First year biology, volume 2, zoology. One kabala kodtini Switzerland. But clear ಆಗಿ zoology ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ what year zoology ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದು. You are not integrated student. Then I can't help it, ma. If you are not integrated student, then what is the point in doing it? Need questions but ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. How many of you are not integrated here? ಬರೀ PUC ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಚನ್ನಬಸಪ್ಪ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಓದಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಓದಿ, ಬೇಡ ಆದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ PUC ಬರೀ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. Detail explanation ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ನೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ. So you can write it for the PUC. Okay, let's start with the zoology part. First unit, that is about digestion. Although you are not in NEET, the syllabus is from the NCERT syllabus only. Only questions will be at the higher levels. Otherwise, you should know everything. Okay. Do you have this? First, you start with the guidance corner. See, there are two things. One is guidance corner, one is the practice corner. Whatever it is your problem, right? I am going to do NEET portions. Do whatever you want. Okay. Let's start with the first one. First question in guidance corner. Which of the following correctly depicts the dental formula of a child? So, which is the option? So, I hope you know 2102 is given. Where 2102 is there? Second answer is 2120, 2120, 2123, 2123, 2111. Yes. What is the 2 and 1 and 2 in that? 212 ಏನದು? A is the wrong option. B is the right option. Okay, I am not asking the answers to be given. Tell me what is 2, what is 1, what is 2. 2120 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 2 ಏನು 2 ಏನು 2120 ಏನು? You tell me that. That's how we have to discuss the details of NEET. Incisors, canines, molars and premolars and molars. Ulta ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Premolars are 2, molars are 0. Okay. So go through the other questions. Let me check. Other questions we'll discuss. Second question you go through. What is the third option given here? Third option given is 2123. What is 2123? Wait, 67. Hogoಣ first 2123 ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ first question to. Sudden ಆಗಿ jump ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. Let's go slowly. 2123 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದರದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? Adults dentation. Adults dental formula. Good. Okay, let's go to the next question. Read the following statements. Select the right option. Statement 1. Blood sugar level falls rapidly after hepatectomy. Okay, this question is clear. What is hepatectomy and hepatectomy. The glycogen of liver is principal source of blood sugar. What's the right option? Second question answer really. What is hepatectomy? Bari answer nim key bandidre ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಅವನ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತಾನೆಲ್ಲ. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಮ್ಮ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಅಂಜನ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಕುಂತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Okay, what is hepatectomy? That's how we should discuss. Every word you should know. See, answer I don't want, baby. I want you to tell me the meanings. What is the meaning of hepatectomy? Kunabita, where were you yesterday? Yes, Abhigna is right. Something connected to liver. Hepatectomy is the liver surgery. Hepatic, some part of the liver is cut and removed. It's called hepatectomy. See, every word you should write meaning in the book. Will book ide andre will barkonbedi illi side ge. Hepatectomy andre no, liver surgery. Correct, good. The glycogen of liver is principal source of blood sugar. Correct ah tappa? Correct. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ glycogen is a major source of glucose, sugar. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ statement C is correct because statement 1 is wrong. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ if you cut the liver, there's nothing, sugar level will not fall down, right? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ sugar level ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ actually. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? Glucose is directly left in the blood if you cut off the liver. Therefore, glucose level will not fall if you cut the or dissect the or surgically remove a part of it. Next, third one, match the following. Column 1 alli 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Peptic cells, auxintic cells and goblet cells. ಎರಡನೇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ mucus, alkaline fluid, proenzyme, HCl ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What peptic cells will produce? Yes. Proenzymes and they are proenzymes. What are the proenzymes? Arey yaar, stop writing proenzymes. Tell me what are proenzymes. HCl is not proenzyme. Prorenin. Unde. After that, prorenin is one of them. Next yavado? Pepsin is not a proenzyme. What's the proenzyme of pepsin? Pepsinogen. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. proenzyme ಅಂತ ಬರೋದು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? pepsinogen and prorenin ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. So peptic cells produce proenzymes like pepsinogen and prorenin. ಆಯ್ತಾ? How pepsinogen is activated? Batch 2 students ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Batch 1 ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Batch 2 students ಹೇಳಿ. Pepsinogen is activated by HCl. Very good. Batch 2 na manino. I cannot be hearing your voice. What should I do? Others can hear, na? Oxyntic cells, what do they do? They produce hydrochloric acid. Goblet cells produce mucus. So option D is right. Next, fourth question. Production of gastrointestinal secretions and the movement soon after digestion of the food are brought about by. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರೋಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನಲ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾರು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? You got the answer script ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಡಿ. You write why, how. So parasympathetic nerve fibers ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇದರೆಲ್ಲ? Parasympathetic production of gastrointestinal secretions in the moment soon after the ingestion of the food is brought about by. It is actually brought about by B option. It is not C. Never I given you C, but it is B option. Sympathetic nerves. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಬೇಗ ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ತಿಂದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಂಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. Parasympathetic nerve fibers will not do that. Okay, so option is B correct, not C. Okay, next, the site of action of substrate of renin are respectively. Substrate ಯಾವುದು, ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಯಾವುದು, renin ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? I don't want this way answering A, B, C, D. Listen, now on, if you write A, B, C, D, I will remove your names. I want why is that happening? Renin will, ನಾನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಇದರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ರೆನಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್, ಹೌದು. ಇಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ casein. Now tell me the digestion of casein. What is curdling of milk? Don't write the answers to me because you got the answer script, answer keys, you will be writing it. You tell me now. What is the curdling of milk? How it is happening? Batch 2 students ಹೇಳಿ, batch 1 ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿ. Write the sentences. ನೀವೇನ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಏನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀನ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? ಏನ್ more acidic? I didn't understand only. What is this Tejaswini? What is more acidic? ಏನು ಇರ್ರಿಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್, ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಕೀ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ನೀಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಇದು ಕೇಳಿರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆ ತರದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ they will ask you. Whatever I am asking the pro questions, multiple questions in that they will be asked. What do you mean by the curdling of milk? Wrong. Shifa, it is wrong. Lactose converting lactic acid is not called as. Where are you? You people have studied or not seen only our videos. Shifa, what wrong things you are writing? Is that happening in the stomach? Lactose converted to lactic acid happening in the stomach? Yes. Savita is writing. Milk protein is found in a soluble form. It converts to calcium caseinate in presence of renin, and later it converts into carcinogen. This is what is curdling of milk. If you don't know, write it down. Who is this? Chandrakala has written it. Savita has written it. Shifa, you write this is what is called as curdling of milk. Casein will be converted to first calcium caseinate. In presence of calcium ions, calcium caseinate converts to carcinogen. Insoluble carcinogen. This is called the curdling of milk. Write it there only in the book. Book nel barkomedi. Bharadra. Then how this casein will digest? Next question. How the casein will digest? Write it. Neat ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ಬರೆಯೋದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ABCD. No, wrong. Casein will not digest by carcinogen will not digest by calcium ions. Calcium ions act as the cofactors for converting milk into curds. Casein is acted upon by renin. No. Casein is acted upon, carcinogen is acted upon by pepsin to convert into book ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ 2 और notes ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ have you written notes batch 2 students ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ನನಗೆ yes ma'am ಬೇಡ I don't want yes ma'am. I don't want yes ma'am. Those who have said yes ma'am should show me that particular point where I to explain you about curdling of milk. That unit, that part you will have to show me. Okay? I'll switch on one after the other's videos of second batch. Yeah, Chandrakala is showing it. Yes, curdling of milk she has written. Did you write it based on my videos of watching? Okay, good. Yashasvi is showing. Okay, good. That's right. Good, Yashasvi Chandrakala. Good, both of you are right. Okay, next. Nandini is showing. Nandini didn't show. Aditya. Second batch or third say. I'm not watching anyone's. R. Nandini, Carmel PU College. Yeah, she has written it. Yeah, I could make up. Good. That's correct. Chaitana has written it. Curdling of milk. Very good, dear. Very good. Varshita has written. Nothing is in. Yeah, now it is. Oh, wow. Very nice handwriting, huh? Good. Keep it up. Good, nice. Fine. Others. Madaya, Monica. Show me the video. I could see only your face. Yeah. You have written it. Okay. Curdling of starch in the maltose gastric. Arey yaar, show me the curdling of milk, baby. You are showing the types of enzymes in the stomach. Yes. Yeah. Galactose. Arey yaar, where is it? You don't know where it is. You find out where it is. Then you show me. You are showing something else. Shifa Khan, you show me. Shifa Khan. Are you there, Shifa Khan? Show me Shifa Khan. Batch 2 only. Only batch 2. Okay, that's okay, no issues. Shifa Khan, you do one thing. We take a pic and send it to my mobile number right now. Right now, I want it. Take its pic and send it to me in my mobile number. Done. Okay, batch 2 students, all you have written. How many are batch 2 here? So only 10 members have responded to me. Others didn't even show me. Means you are not written. Very clear it is. It's very clear that you didn't write. What for you didn't write? Bhavana. Only I could see her face. Face is there. Show me the. Are you are showing pancreas. Curdling of milk. Good, good, good. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Good. Fine, ma. Bhavana, she is right. Others also should show me. And then check that I didn't saw ma'am. Aim didn't saw ma'am. What you didn't saw? You show yours drawing explanation. I told you to write it and make it in the box. Have you written? You didn't saw what? I didn't saw ಏನು ಅಂಜನ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಯಾವ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಥೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು when I'm asking you are saying I didn't see the video ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನೋ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ okay Priyanka is showing Anjan Shetty what you are written in digestion is showing Priyanka yeah she has written correct okay good that's right ma that's right enough Anjan Shetty what you are written in digestion is show me you didn't see the video then what are you doing all these days then how do you understand this I have already told you some of the backgrounds all others are studying all they are watching and what else you are doing Anjan Shetty switch on your video let me check what all you are written in digestion chapter video spelling ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ video spelling this is very disgusting actually when I'm starting with the need portion you are saying I didn't see man I can't help ma I am talking properly others are hearing only you are not hearing something wrong with your internet next question which of the following functions of enterogastrin you should watch you cannot say others are not watching what is wrong with you that's the reason I'm doing need today to check whether you have done it or not enterogastrin andre anybody know what is enterogastrin do you know the meaning of enterogastrin answers okay listen actually for digestion there are something called the digestive hormones are there this you have to note it down in your NEET book right digestive hormones andre they are not enzymes andre nimge gottu they will be released through the duct and they will work for digestion but hormones are those which are released by the endocrine glands and they help in not only they help in work done, they're left in the bloodstream. These are the digestive hormones. The hormones are of different types. One is gastrin. This is a hormone that helps in release of gastric juice once the food enters the stomach. It helps in release of gastric juice. Second one, enterogastrin. This is another hormone that stops the gastric juice production when the food enters from stomach to the small intestine. It should stop, otherwise it will be wasted, right? Third one, CCK, called as cholecystokinin. This is another hormone that helps in the release of bile juice from gallbladder. Okay. Fourth one, there is something called secretin. This helps in the release of the intestinal juice from intestinal glands. Fifth one, pancreozymin, which helps in the release of pancreatic juice. These are called as various hormones of the gastric juice. Gastric hormones. So hormones are different from gastric. No, always not gastric mucosa. These are hormones that are produced by the various parts in the digestive tract, and they help in release or stopping up of certain juices. Write them. Digestive hormones. Separate neat book and ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನೀಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಮೂಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಲೀವ್ one page, so that what happens is you can write extra points in that. Okay, Shifa has sent me. If you have no camera, then how can you take the pic and send me, ma? Shifa? I don't know. Is there any option like that? I don't know. Anyway, did you write the gastric hormones? Where are other students? Only 89 are there today. Where are the other children? Okay, let me take the attendance today. Batch 1 students, say yes. Again and again you need to say yes. Yes satti one satti helidre saaku. Yes anta. Batch 1 students say yes. Twenty-one students only. Only 22 students, huh? First batch. Today's class. Only first batch students are 22. Today is day 29/9/20. 22, 23 are saying. Gnapita and Erkunda 23. Gnapita, Abhignas, Drishti, Tabassum, Nurain, Rashmi, Rifa, Kritika, Shri Raksha, Humera, Savita, Dhanushri, Akshara, Neha, Kavya, Varshini, Tejashwini, Prakriti, Prithvi, Kritika Murthy, Manisha, Jeevita, Akansh, Chandana, Sujal, Nikhil, Shifa. Arey, Shifa is from first batch. Yeah, Shifa, Manish, Sridevi, Chandan, Chandana, Harshit. Very Chanbasapa in this group. Tanuj. So Chanbasapa is taking. Yeah, ma'am, Shifa is second batch, I know. So Chanbasapa is already absent, right? I will call him through the office. Chanbasapa thinking that it is not required for him. You will suffer here. Batch 2 already, yeah? Next up. Say yes. '24, '25, '26. $38 messages have come. 38. Only 39 students, huh? 40 students are there. Still you are 87 members. Huh? It starts from Rukaiya to last student, Misbah. Yes. Right? 39 students are there. Very difficult, man, if this is the case. V2 45 are there. Did you count, Bhavana? Did you count them now? 45, huh? Okay, 45. Batch 1 bari 22 jana. Okay, leave it. Did you write the digestive hormones, all these? What Jeevan is doing? Okay, let's go to the next question. All of them are not discussed. Whatever I'm discussing, all in detail we are doing it. Okay. So total number actually 105 or something was there. Today only 85, 86 members are present. Your wish. Actually, in my class, all students will come to when I solve transcend. Jeevan, what are you doing? Okay, what's the function of enterocgastin? It inhibits the secretion of gastric juice. The enzyme enterokinase helps in the conversion of what? Okay, seventh question. Enterokinase, what will it do? You don't give me answer A, B, C, D. What will that do? You tell me. Enterokinase helps in converting. Where it is secreted? Now the question comes, new question. Are there? Where it is secreted? Where is enterokinase produced? Who will produce trypsin? Trypsinogen yaar produce madtare, enterokinase yaar produce madtare, right? Where exactly enterokinase is produced? Where exactly trypsinogen? It is produced in the intestinal juice. Very good, Priyanka. Where is trypsinogen produced? No, trypsinogen ಎಲ್ಲಿ produce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Yes, pancreas. Good. In pancreas it is produced. So intestinal juice ಅಲ್ಲಿ produce ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಂಟರೋಕೈನೇಸ್ ಬಂದು ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸಿನೋಜನ್ ನ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಏಟ್ತ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡಿ. During prolonged fasting, which of the sequence are the following organic compounds used up by the body? ಖಾಲಿ ಊಟ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೂತಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? If you are fasting, some people fast no one month and all. That time, what is the way of utilization of nutrients? What is the first thing to be absorbed? Carbohydrates. Next, fats. Amal bandu proteins. Okay. So fasting ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ fat breakdown ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, answer should be first one, carbohydrate, next fats, and then lastly proteins. Next, ninth question. Which one of the following is correct matching in the site of action on given substrate? The enzyme acting upon it and the end products. Yav correct ide? In small intestine, proteins are converted to amino acids. Correct ah? Pepsin alle? I said don't write A, B, C, D. I am asking one by one questions. First option in ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, small intestine proteins into amino acids by pepsin. ಏನ್ wrong ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? What is wrong in that? Tell me why first option is wrong. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. What is wrong in the first option of ninth question? Small intestine wrong. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಏನೋ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳು? pepsin is active stomach. Will it produce amino acids? Will that produce amino acids? Protein digest ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? Will it produce amino acids? What will it produce? What will that produce? Peptones and proteoses. Very good. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳೋ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ stomach fat into micelles by lipase. ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? B option ಅಲ್ಲಿ. What is wrong in this? See, it's something to think about. What is wrong in the second option? Not micelles. Then what? Not micelles, what it will form? ನೋ. ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಮೈಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? when are micelles produced? No, micelles are not produced. Who will do micelles? What is micelles? Very Chanmasappa has scorned it already. Yes, good. It is happening during emulsification. Who will do emulsification? This is how you have to solve. I may not solve all the questions, but I'll solve correctly. Bile salts will do it. Very good. Bile salts ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ produce ಆಯ್ತು? Who will produce bile juice? Liver. Very good. Then, okay. Third option ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು wrong ಇದೆ? C ಅಲ್ಲಿ duodenum triglycerides into monoglyceride by trypsin ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is wrong? Tell me that. What is wrong in that C option? C ನಲ್ಲಿ what is wrong? You tell me. C ನಲ್ಲಿ trypsin duodenum triglycerides into monoglyceride by trypsin ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Is trypsin wrong? Yes. Why trypsin is wrong? Why is trypsin wrong? Tell me. Yes, you should justify your answers, ma. Simply ABCD ಬರೆಯೋದಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಯಾಕೆ ನಮ್ದು ನೀಟ್ ಹುಡುಗರು ಬರೀ ಅಂದಾಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೇ ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ. Trypsin is a protein testing is very good, ma. Kritika, very good. This is what I want. Not just writing the answers ABCD. Good. Trypsin acts on the proteins. And trypsin is produced by what? Which one will produce trypsin? Very good. That's right, Sujal. It's produced by the pancreas. Therefore, this is not correct. D option says small intestine starch by the amylase converted to disaccharides. That's correct. Always I will ask you each option why it is wrong, okay? Don't keep writing answers ABCD. Next, what will happen if the secretion of the parietal cells of the gastric gland is blocked with an inhibitor? What will happen? Andre parietal cells normally that produce the gastric juice alla adana stop madidre inhibit madidre enagutte? In absence of HCl, inactive pepsinogen will not convert to active pepsin. First option. Second option says endokinin will not be released from the duodenal mucosa. Gastric juice will not be deficient in chymosin. Gastric juice will be deficient in pepsinogen. Yeah, which is the fourth. First option is correct or wrong? If it is correct, why others are wrong? You should tell me. Answer. First option right or wrong? A option. Andre gastric glands alli cells and parietal cells athwa auxentic cells are otherwise called the parietal cells. Barkomadi alle. Auxentic cells are is equal to parietal cells. Nim notes alli barkoli. Writing. Auxentic cells are called parietal cells. They produce HCl. Where are you all? Students. First option is right or wrong? Right, huh? Okay. So you said right, although you don't know what are the parietal cells. Means you have just by hearted it. You didn't know that parietal cells are is equal to auxentic cells na ಹೇಳಿರಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. Enterokinase will not be released from the duodenal mucosa, so trypsinogen is not converted to trypsin. B option yaake wrong. This is what I want to answer. Want you to answer. Come on, Sujal, answer. Why second option is wrong in this? Sujal, answer it. Don't say just right or wrong. Napita, you are not answering. I want you to explain me about its justification. What is wrong in B option? You can even write what is wrong in C and D options. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ನೋಡೋಣ, ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಬರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ. ಈಗ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಚೆಕ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಏನೋ ಓದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. You don't tell me means it's over. I will not go. Enterokinase produces the intestinal juice. Enterokinase helps in the conversion of trypsinogen to trypsin. Correct. Good. So what is wrong is enterokinase juice will divide in mucosa, so trypsinogen. That's correct. But it is not working on the gastric glands. Dalla idu anta. It is only the intestinal juice. Next, third option is wrong with it. Third option. What's wrong with the third option? Gastric juice will be deficient in chymosin. Gastric juice will not be chymosin. Next, gastric juice will be deficient pepsinogen. Pepsinogen yakalla andre pepsinogen is produced by peptic cells. They say parietal cells. Parietal cells andre auxintic cells. Did you write the other meaning of parietal cells, all of you? Did you write it? What is that you are written? Tell me. What are parietal cells? No, don't say yes ma'am. I hate this yes ma'am actually. Don't say yes ma'am. What is auxintic cell? Yen auxintic cells are parietal cells. They produce HCl. Next question. 11. An infant may be feeding entirely on mother's milk, which is white in color, but stools which the infant passes is quite yellowish. The yellow color of the stools is due to. Why there is yellow color of the stools? Stools andre no. What do you mean by stools? What is stools? Fecal matter. Andre when baby is having milk which is white in color, but still it produces a fecus which is yellow color. Why anta? Sir, enough. Tell me why. Because of the bile juice. Okay, next 12th question. Which one of the following statements is true regarding the digestion and absorption of the food in humans? What is correct anta idralli? Fructose and amino acids are absorbed through the intestinal mucosa, which help of the carriers ions like sodium. Next, hylomicrons are the small lipoprotein particles that are transported from intestine into the blood capillaries. Actually, hylomicrons are lipids and lipid proteins. So they are travel through the lymph vessels, not the blood vessels. Barkomadi yak wrong anta. For 60% of the starch is hydrolyzed by the salivary amylase in the mouth. Why third option is right or wrong? 12th question is third option right or wrong? If wrong, why? ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಏನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕಣ ಸುಜಲ್? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ರೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಎಸ್ ಸಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಓನ್ಲಿ 10% ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 60% ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಡಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ? ಆಕ್ಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ secrete the proenzyme pepsinogen. ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ? What is wrong in D option? Pepsinogen is wrong. What will produce pepsinogen? Good. They produce hydrochloric acid. Right. So A option is correct. Which of the following pairs of the food components in the human reaches the stomach totally undigested? ಯಾವುದು ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಗೆ? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್, ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಯುಲೋಸ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಯುಲೋಸ್, protein and starch. Which will enter the stomach without total zero digestion? Cellulose ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? Why first option is wrong? Why first option is wrong? ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಏನು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, 4-5 ಹುಡುಗರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಯಾವ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? Sujal, what is correct? Starch is partially good. This is what I want. Starch is partially digested by salivary amylase. First one is ಯಾಕೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳು ಸುಜಲ್. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಯಾಕೆ? Why first option is correct? According to you, you tell me why. Question ಏನಿದೆ? What is the question? Read the question properly. ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಫುಡ್, ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅನ್ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಏನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಹೇಳಂತಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. What is the question? Tell me. Meaning of the question you tell me, Sujal. Don't tell me some words. What's the meaning of the question? Question ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನೀನು? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕಥೆಗಳೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. I am watching and you are simply saying something which is nonsense. Starch is digested, reaches stomach undigested ಹೆಂಗೆ? Starch digestion ನೀನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಯಾ. It reaches the stomach undigested ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ? Undigested digest ಆಗದೇ ಇರೋದು. ಅಯ್ಯ ನಿನ್ನ ಸರಿ. Fat and cellulose goes without digestion from the mouth to the stomach. Okay, so B option. 14th question. Which of the following pairs? Okay, you will have bit put. 15th question. 15th question. Okay, 14th to ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ question. Which of the following pairs of kind of cells that secretions is correctly matched? ಯಾವ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ? Oxidic cells secretion with the pH 2 to 3. Alpha cells of islets of ligand secretion that decrease the blood sugar level. Kupffer cells. ಎರಡನೇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್? ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ? ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ produce rate of digestion by action of glycogen. ಏನಂಗಂದ್ರೆ I didn't understand only this thing. I don't know what is that you are saying. Okay, first option correct ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. 14th question. Second option what is wrong you tell me. What's wrong in the second option? Alpha cells of islet cell length secretion that decrease the blood sugar level. What alpha cells will produce? It produce glucagon. Good. Glucagon. Glucagon in kaisa? What glucagon will do? What is that process called? What glucagon will do? There is a name for that process. What is the process called? Wrong, Kritika, it's wrong. Glucogenolysis. Yeah, correct. Glycogenolysis is correct. Correct. It's right. Andre ಏನರ್ಥ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What happens exactly? What's happening? Glycogenolysis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Glycogen converts to glucose. Correct. So ಅವಾಗ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್? ಸಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Kupffer cells, the digestive enzyme that hydrolyze nucleic acids. What are Kupffer cells doing here? What's the function of Kupffer cells? Kupffer cells, answer. Have you heard about them? Very good, Kritika. Very intelligent she is. Kills foreign cells. Good. Is this first batch or second batch? Kritika, first or second batch? First batch. Second batch ಅವರು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿ? Kupffer cells ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? What are they? Where are they present? Second batch students. Sharjit, are you from second batch? Okay. Tell me, what are the Kupffer cells? Where are they present in the liver? I had given it a small diagram also that day in my video, if you remember. Very good, Ashraya. They show dissected margin and takes part in. Very nice, very good. Intelligent children. This is what I want, ma. Lining of the liver sinusoids. Liver alla, sinusoids of the liver. Good, Anusha. They help in phagocytosis. What is phagocytosis? Phagocytosis are those cells which will kill the microbes that enter through the blood. Okay, good. Okay, all barcomedy functions. Kupffer cells help in phagocytosis, present in the liver sinusoids. Alpha cells of islet of Langerhans help in glycogenolysis. Murredu, sebaceous gland secretion that evaporates for cooling. Sebaceous glands andre enaru gotta? Napita, correct. Napita has become little dull nowadays. Yesterday you were absent, ma. Yeah, sebaceous glands are oil glands. They will not cool the body. Sweat glands produce the sweat. Okay, you didn't inform me, no, before. I was asking yesterday, where is Napita anta? Okay, no issue. Next. Match these. 1 Kupffer cells, B cells, oxalic cells, pennate cells. Peptic cells are otherwise called pennate cells. Peptic cells, the other meaning of peptic cells is pennate cells. There are different names for that. Okay, 1 Kupffer cells, where you will write? Which one you can match? 1 Kupffer cells, sinusoids of the liver. Next, beta cells. Beta cells, islets of Langerhans. Oxalic cells, they are in the stomach. Pennate cells, Small intestine. They produce intestinal juice. Good. Next. Lining of the intestinal wall from outside to inside. This I have drawn a diagram. How many of you have that diagram with you? Intestinal section ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? You have? All of you must have. Are you batch 2? Batch 2 students, who is there? Okay, stop all of you. Batch 2 students. You are batch 2, Nikhil Prasad. Okay, Akshara is showing drawing. Very good, ma'am. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಇಡಿ, ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಎಂತದೋ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I couldn't see it. Okay, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್. Okay, good. Bhavana is written. Good. Chandrakala has written it. Drawing is there. Yeah, good. Yashashvi, yeah, she has shown. Good. Varshita has showed. Okay, good. Yashashvi is showing. Good, ma. Chandrakala also shown. Good. Napita, where are you? Your pic is seen. Okay, good, good, ma. Okay, Napita, you have taken the book there also. Mysore. Very good. Nice, nice, dear. All of you are written. Okay, now Sujal also has written. Sujal, where you went? Okay, good then. Good, Sujal. But I could see very blurry thing. Okay, it's okay, fine. Batch 2 students, tell me. Anyone batch 2 students who are here? Show me the photo, picture of that. Show the video. Priyanka, are you from batch 2? Yeah, nothing is in Priyanka. You are still searching. Varshita, are you batch 2? Okay, good, ma'am. You are written it. Good, good. Chandrakala, you are batch 2, huh? Good, ma'am. Chetana, batch 2. Good, good. Chandrakala. Right, very good. So, where are so many other batch 2 students present who are there actually? Priyanka, I saw yours. Others I couldn't see. Priyanka, I saw it. So many children are there, I am not observing. Akanksh, where is your diagram? Show me. Akanksh, Amog, Anjan Shetty. Show me the drawing. Anjan Shetty. So Chanvasapa is gone. I will call him today. Afra Khalsum, you are not showed me. Arjun, Cordial, where are you, Arjun? Arjun, are you there? Suhas, never showed me diagrams. BB Rukaya, you never showed me diagrams. That's not a great thing here. You are saying all the time the same story. I didn't see. BB Rukaya. Jitesh, you didn't show me. Lekhana, where are you, Lekhana? There is no video in yours, huh? Misbah, Preetu, Priscilla, Priyadarshini, Ella, Elhin, Raksha, Rashmi. You people are absconding suddenly. Not even one person. Sana, Shifa, Spandana, where are you? Earlier she used to be very active. Spandana, you didn't show me any photos of this. I was asking from that time. Suddenly number is reduced to 78. Misbah is showing. Showing. Clear video ma kadistala. It's little side you have put it. I am watching side only. Okay, done. Enough. Spandana. Spandana is not seen. Sneha is showing. Good. See, all very good, man. Enough. Now, listen. Whenever I ask you something, if you didn't do it, you should feel shameful actually. You should watch it. When others are watching, what is your problem? Huh? Okay, section of the intestine is given. So what is the inside, outside to inside? Hengirutte tissues anta. First longitudinal vessels and circular vessels, submucosa and mucosa. I have already given you. Good, very good. You may have. Refer the given flow chart. Okay, milk casein into paracasein to calcium paracaseinate. This is the full thing actually. This also you write it down somewhere because this is what is actual milk into curds. Milk casein converts to paracasein. Paracasein involve renin. Then paracasein into calcium paracaseinate, calcium ions. This is curdling of milk. Answer is A, not B. It's A. Secretin, already again we have discussed, stimulate the secretion of stomach, proteinates action of CCK, inhibits the intestinal movements. So secretin is all functions in the bad markobody. Stimulates the acid secretion in stomach, then activates CCK, inhibits the intestinal movements. This is a secretin function. Okay. Let's go to the next question. 22nd you take. 22nd question you write. A child took sugarcane and sucked its juice. Regarding this, which of the following is correct? Proteins, first one optionally proteins, enzyme pepsin in duodenum, polypeptides in there. Why first one is right or wrong? Why right? Why wrong? ಶುಗರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಶುಗರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸುಕ್ರೋಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸುಕ್ರೋಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಯೋಡಿನಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ, ಪೆಪ್ಸಿನ್ ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್. ಪಾಲಿಪೆಪ್ಟೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೋಟಿಯೋಸಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೆಪ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ತಪ್ಪು, ಲಿಪಿಡ್ಸ್ ತಪ್ಪು. ಸುಕ್ರೋಸ್ ಬಂದು inverted ಅಥವಾ sucrase enzyme duodenally converts into duodenally glucose and fructose. Correct. Good. 23ನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ್, mucosa pylori stomach, ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಸ್ಟಮಕ್. ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ದ secretion of gastric juice. I told ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೋಡಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Constrict the cardiac sphincters. Second one, dash duodenal epithelium, stomach, slows gastric contraction. It is enterogastric. I told you, stops the secretion of gastric juice. Cholecystokinin. In cholecystokinin in duodenal epithelium, release the enzymes for the Crepes of Lieberkühn. Okay, I told you this. Helps in release of enzymes from the Crepes of Lieberkühn and also help in the release of cholecystokinin, CCK. Cholecystokinin is CCK. Okay, gallbladder. Next is last one, release of enzyme from Crepes of Lieberkühn. Okay, fourth one, endocrine, intestinal epithelium, intestine. So what it will do? It help in the release of enzymes from Crepes of Lieberkühn. Cholecystokinin ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಕ್ರಿಯಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಾಲ್ ಬ್ಲಾಡರ್ ಇಂದ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಓದಿ 4 ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ. 1 2 3 4 ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದೊಂದನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಯೋಡಿನಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಯೋಡಿನಲ್ ಎಪಿಥೀಲಿಯಂ. 4th one ಅಲ್ಲಿ release the enzyme of enzymes from Krebs of Lieberkühn. Okay, ಈಗ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದೊಂದನ್ನು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಫುಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ, ಎಂಟ್ರೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ. ಈಗ ಬರ್ತಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡು, ನನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂತ. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? CCK ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಒಬ್ರು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕಾಲ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೋಕೈನಿನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಯಾರು ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ಕಾಲ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೋಕೈನಿನ್ ಫುಲ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಏನೇನಂತ ಕತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡು. ಬರದ್ರಾ? No, it will not help in digestion of fats. I told you, write CCK produced here, what it will do, that way. Yeah, sources, yeah, cholecystokinin divided in the epithelium, release the pancreatic juice and bile target organs pancreatic. Good, good, good. This is what I want. Okay, done. Okay, understood now how to write these? Okay, good. Good, right, ma. So these will be asked in board exam also. I will ask these in board exams also. Functions of cholecystokinin, functions of secretin, function of gastrin, function of enterogastrin. Ishtunu baribek neeviga. Okay, done. Good. Next, ಬೇರೆ question ಹೋಗೋಣ. Let's go to the diagram questions. Diagrammatic questions ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 63 question. Question number 63. Drawing ಇದೆ. First ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ number 1 marked. 63rd question. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. That is a parotid gland. Second is liver, third is pancreas, fourth is cecum, vermiform appendix. Good. Only drawing questions ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. 77th question ನೋಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ. ಏನಿದೆ first one cecum ಅದು. Second one ಬಂದು appendix. Third one ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon. Did you write this? Understood this? The colon parts. What are the parts of colon? Name ಬರೀತೀರಾ? Cecum, vermiform appendix, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon and sigmoid colon. Drawings you watch. In practice corner also there is a drawing. Check this drawing. Different things are labeled. A label ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ A. Take the practice corners. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏನೇನು ಬರೀಬಾರದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ read the following statement with A to F. First statement ಏನಿದೆ the structure A is salivary glands which produce proteases and lipases enzymes. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಂದಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ A is not the one which is producing protease and peptones is the wrong statement. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ರೈಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್ ವೈ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾನು structure D is a gallbladder which secretes bile. Is D is bile? What is D? Is D is gallbladder? What is D? What is D in the drawing? It's a pancreas. Okay, the structure B is pancreas which produces insulin and glucagon. B is what? What they given B? B labeling ಏನಿದೆ? It's a gallbladder. Very good. Fourth, E is a small intestine which produces all the three enzymes, proteases, hydrases and lipases. E ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? E is correct. F ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೆ? Rudimentary, insignificant digestion. That is F ಅಳಿದೋಗಿದೆ. F ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ F ಇಲ್ಲ. Make it F. In drawing F is not seen. Have you written F? Then F ಅಂತ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ. F ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸರಿ. So option ಯಾವುದು 4 5 correct. So which is the answer? D. Okay. So second drawing ಏನೇನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? Tongue, they are showing various parts of the tongue. Okay. Now tongue ನಲ್ಲಿ various papillae papillae ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ? What are the functions of papillae? They contain taste buds. Already 76 members. Already people have gone. Okay. First one they are saying valate papillae. Valate papillae ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? What is a valate papillae? Another name. Anybody remembers that? Foliate papillae, filiform papillae, fungiform papillae. First, foliate papillae are not developed in human tongue. Their taste buds degenerate in early childhood. Right or wrong? Each fungiform papilla contains about 4 taste buds. Each valate, circumvallate papillae contains 100 taste buds. These papilla are the largest of the 4 types. Filiform papillae contain tactile touch to the receptors, which is the answer. Circumvallate papillae. What's the answer? Which is right in this? Which is the right answer in this? Answer ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ A B C D ನ ಅಂತ. A is right. 1, 2, 3 are right. Filiform papillae contain tactile touches but not the taste buds is correct. Each valid papilla contain 100 taste buds is not correct. Okay, option A is right. Okay. So like this you solve all the questions now. Because ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ನೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜನ ಓಡೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ. ನಾವು ನೀಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ಉಳಿದದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡು ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ನಾಳೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಐ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಫಿಸಿಯಾಲಜಿ. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾಳೆ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟಾಲಜಿ ಟುಮಾರೋ. Is it fine? Sarina? Okay then. So ella solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, circulation respiration both. Okay, ಸರಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. It's done. Transcend is done. Again don't ask me. I told you ask me doubts tomorrow. If you don't ask me doubts like how I have done, you should study all and tell me that it is done. This much is I didn't understand, which we will discuss it. ನಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾಳೆ. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್. I will do, ma'am. Okay, let us see. Okay, tomorrow you will be asking me doubts in the circulation respiration chapters. If you are not asking, that means you have solved all. There are no doubts. Transcend is done. Naale histology anatomy which I started yesterday will continue. Sarina, see you then. Bye. Okay, done. See you. Bye.